What's going on YouTube? I'm Trey and this is the Common Advisor, and today we finally got it, guys. It's the Crown Royal Peach. That's right. You remember in like earlier episodes of my channel, I had a video saying that as soon as I got my hands on this, I was gonna do a review on it. And today it came. My plug hit me up in time and was like, hey, we just got it in about an hour ago. I know you wanted to get this, so what's up? So I appreciate it. Shout out to Shay. Thank you so much for giving me some of this and get my hands on it. So without further ado, let's get into why you came to this video, because you want to know about the Crown Royal Peach whiskey. All right, so first impressions, man. You know how Crown Royal does it. You know, they got the nice box, nice presentation. Hope y'all can see that, right? And yes, the seal is broken. The reason it's broken is because, you know, the store owner, she was trying, well, not store owner, but my plug, she was trying to see it, you know, and she actually wanted to taste a little bit of it. I haven't tasted it yet, so it's gonna be my first time tasting it with you all. But she wanted to hit it a little bit, and you know, she gave me a little discount on that, so I went on and gave her a little bit. Anyway, besides that, like I said, man, it's real nice packaging. Peaches, just like the apple. Y'all know how it is with the vanilla and all that good stuff. Crown Royal is great when it comes to packaging. So let's bust it open. The infamous Crown Royal bag. Oh man, look at it. Like a, you know what? It's like the color of, I thought it would have been a little more orange kind of deal, you know, but I guess it's not Crown Royal orange. It's Crown Royal peach. This reminds me of that peach Faygo kind of deal. With the color consistency, man, dude, real player. Look at that. It got the little peach on it, and there it is, guys and gals. Peach, Crown Royal Peach. It's a real thing. It is here. You know, try to, you know, check your stores out. It should be coming around. I told y'all, I said around by springtime it was gonna be out, and I was not joking right there. So here it is, man. So let's smell it and see what it's smelling like. You know what I'm saying? I know you want to know exactly what it's tasting like, flavor profile. You need to get you some. That's a big thing. Hey, if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for coming through. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe. That's how this video gets up in ranking, that other people get to see this. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can get some good content, fun content. I'm a good guy, always making good content. All right, so let's get back straight to this video. Oh, and thanks to my old subscribers. Appreciate y'all for coming back. All right, so smell. I'm gonna tell you. On the real, it smells just like a peach Faygo. Like, it smells, it doesn't smell too sweet, but it has a hint. Like, you can't really, I can't smell the Crown per se. Like, I could tell it's like a little alcohol hint. You know what? You know that Ciroc, you know how Ciroc has that, I don't know, Ciroc has a distinct smell. And I want to say they have like a peach flavored Ciroc, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe I'm wrong, but it kind of smells like vodka. Like a peach flavored vodka instead of a, you know, whiskey. But, you know, the taste is going to be totally different. This is 35% alcohol, 70 proof, you know, standard with the Crown Royal. All right, so first I'm going to try it without ice because I don't want to dilute the flavor. I want to try it warm without ice just to get the full flavor profile. Shout out to everybody that went to OCS. You know, big up. Class 4-9, stand up. All right, so yeah, let's try it. Here we go. Okay. Hey, this right here, this will get you messed up, man. I'm gonna be real with you. Like, it's peachy, but it's like just the right amount of peach. I don't know if y'all tried the vanillas or the green apples, but you know, it's like real overbearing with the green apple. Like, I like green apple, don't get me wrong. I like all the Crown Royal lines, except for the mesquite. Texas mesquite was disgusting to me. But all of them, they really bring the flavor profile out, like it's really hidden. With this peach, is more of a nicer blend It's better. It's better mixed, if that makes any sense. Like I can tell that it's Crown, and I can tell that I'm drinking a whiskey, but I also get like a hint of peach. It's not like pinch with a touch of whiskey. It's like whiskey with a touch of peach. I said pinch, a touch of peach. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I would say this doesn't even need to be mixed. I think on the back it says Royal Peach Tea. You mix this with iced tea, fresh lemon, and the peach flavor. Man, I wouldn't even mix it with anything. It's just that good. Like, it's that good. It's perfect. It's the perfect blend. Crown Royal, you really did a great job when it came down to this one. All right, so let me try with some ice and see if that changes anything. You know what? I get like a vanilla kind of flavor off of it too, like a sweet, like vanilla, like a kind of cream flavor off of it, if that makes sense. So like a peach cream. All right, so here we go. Got my Jim Beam cup. I know I'm set tripping. Got this Jim Beam cup and the Crown Royal inside of it, but it is what it is. All right, so gonna give it a couple of swigs. I don't want to get too much water in it. Get it nice and cold. Oh man. Oh man. Let me tell you. When you put it on ice, it takes that bite of the whiskey out. You know, some people are fans of that bite. I don't mind it, but this could be a really nice social drink. It's like, wow. Now I can say, even though I'm drinking it, I'm being biased. I love Crown, but let me see. I can say I like it better without the ice. With the ice, it brings out more of the sweetness in it. More of the sweetness, as in I couldn't drink as much. It makes me want to mix it with something to dilute the sweetness and take some of the sweetness out. So yeah, with the ice, it by itself and the ice, it's too much sweet. Too much sweet right there, but by itself is perfect. By itself without ice, just warm. And if I don't know many people to drink it, but if you really want the full flavor profile of this, man, and just nice, drink it warm, in a cup. But with the ice, it's all right. It's a little more sweet. It's a more syrupy, with the ice. So I got my hookah today. I wanted to y'all know my channel, people that follow me, y'all know I like to smoke hookah. But I wanted to taste this first and give you a nice little review of it before I start smoking the hookah. So yeah, because what would it be without some peach hookah? So yeah, but overall, I guess out of a 10, I would give this an 8. Like, being real, I would give it an 8. Only reason I wouldn't give it a full 10 as far as the peach, the Crown Royal lines, is because of when it gets with ice, it is super sweet. Like, I can drink on this, but you have to be real careful because you drink it just like that kind of nauseating sweet. It's so sweet, but by itself, man, without the ice, is perfect. Like, I can really, that bite helps calm down the sweetness. Man, look, I really suggest checking this out. Make sure your local store have it. If they don't, you need to request it, man. It's super good. I don't know. Like, I think my favorite one is green apple. I like vanilla a lot. Green apple is my favorite, but this Crown Royal Peach kind of pushing it, man. This might be my go-to. This might be my go-to with Crown Royal. Like I said, I paid a little less for it, so because I told you I had to let my plug taste a little bit. So I get a little discount on it. But I think for this size, you probably get it for maybe in my area for around $30. 20, like $27 to $30 range, kind of something like that. I know you see some stuff on my table. I got Ciroc black raspberry. That's pretty good, but this video is not about that. And I have that pure white Hennessy. Y'all know about that. Just some stuff that's on my table. Other than that, guys, look, that's the end of the review. Leave your comments below. If you already tried this, let me know. Let me know if it's in your area. Let me know where you're from. Like I said, make sure you subscribe, like this page, like this channel. It helps the channel grow. I'll be making more videos just like this coming soon. Peace.